In this video, I'll be testing a scalping strategy with a 96.8% win rate created by my trading journey with the aim to see if it still works in 2023. I'll be using it on EuroJPY on the 5-minute time frame, and I'll be back testing it 800 times with 1% risk. But before we start, welcome to TradeFluenced. On this channel, our aim is to validate as many strategies as possible for you guys to use. So let's get into it. So before we apply the indicators, we're going to need to change the chart display from the regular bar charts to Heikin-Ashi. So once loaded, your charts are going to look like this. So now let's go and apply the first indicator, which is going to be the chandelier exit. So type in chandelier exit and it's going to be by ever get. Okay, once loaded, you're going to need to change the settings of the chandelier exit. So double click, go to inputs and change the ATR period to 1 and the multiplier to 2. Then we need to go to style and remove everything but the buy and sell labels. Lastly, we need to edit the buy labels. So go to absolute and change it to below the bar. And then we're going to change the sell label to above the bar. Okay, so the chandelier exit will tell you when to sell or when to buy by printing red and green labels, which will be placed directly above or below the candle. Okay, for the final indicator is going to be ZLSMA by very fit. So we need to change the settings again. So double click. I'm going to change the style to white and then change the input length to 50. Okay, leave the rest of the settings the same, and now let's go over the entry criteria. Okay, when looking for longs, first you need to make sure the chandelier exit prints a buy signal. Secondly, we need to make sure that price action is above the white EMA. Then you're ready to take the trades to go long with the stop loss directly below the swing low. And for our targets, we're going to close out once price action drops back below the white EMA. So this scenario would have made 1% as soon as this candle closed below the white EMA. That's it, and we can move on to the next trade. Okay, so when looking for shorts, it's the exact opposite. First, we're going to need to make sure that we have a sell label printed, and it's also below the white EMA. So in this instance, we broke below the white EMA, and we also printed the sell label a couple candles after. So now we can go ahead and place the sell with our stop loss above the swing high this time. And the way we're going to manage the trade is close out soon as price breaks out the other way. So in this scenario, we would have made 0.26%. Okay, so it seems easy enough. It's a very simple strategy. I'm going to go and back test it 100 times and come back to you with the results. Okay, so the results are in. We took 100 trades, 55 won, netting us a profit of 44.74%, and 45 trades lost with a result of 29.08% lost, which equals a 55% win rate and a net profit of 15.66% in 12 days, trading 24 hours. So this isn't realistic trading 24 hours, so maybe it nets a higher percentage just trading in your time frame. I didn't like the strategy at all. We kept making a profit of 0.25%, which is literally nothing, and we were going up in small increments. So to me, it's not worth my time. I'm sure if you had a robot to trade for you, as it does actually net a profit, so it is a profitable and working strategy. If you want to go and tweak it, go ahead. But for me personally, I'm not going to use it. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you guys for watching.